Hey guys, today let's learn how to get My AI in Snapchat on your iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and get this new My AI feature on the Snapchat application, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to have this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to make sure that we have our Snapchat applications updated to the latest version. So I want you to go and launch the app stores, and I want you to search for the Snapchat application and make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. So if you do have an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that you're going to have the best user experience possible and be updated with the latest features on Snapchat. Next, let's tap on open. And what I want you to do once you're on here is to just tap on your Snapchat tabs, and you should have your My AI feature right here on the first chat. So once you tap on this, you can basically go ahead and type anything you'd like. As you see, there is going to be a quick start guide on here for you guys to use the My AI feature, but that is how you guys could receive and get your My AI feature on Snapchat. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.